Or maybe not. I think that's just the wind. Woo! Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kit, and I am fishing in a wind advisory for some dang catfish. You guys can tell behind me, it's pretty windy. Not as windy as when we first got here. It was like straight up white caps. And I got 2-ounce sinkers out there. My buddy Ryan, he's out here with me. He never really targeted catfish before, so he's kind of a catfish newbie. I'm trying to show him the ropes. But these 2-ounce weights that we got on our lines, when we first got here, they were being slowly dragged from the wind pushing it so hard. It's been a pretty good bite. Not super crazy as one of my previous videos, but it's been pretty consistent. And I think it's only starting to pick up again because it's getting a little bit darker now. And I think the fish are starting to get a little bit more active than they were earlier. Another thing is though, earlier this afternoon, I caught 4 fish and didn't hit record. So there's basically no audio, but we ended up stacking a few more fish. Ryan caught his first 2 targeted catfish, and yeah, it's not a bad day so far. Using an old stinky shad, and we're gonna keep fishing. He went to go grab some pizza from Casey's, and we're gonna keep trying. And look how crazy windy it is. Almost got knocked over. All right, guys, check it out. Oh my God. You got that one. Yeah, with no audio. Oh. Well, there's gonna be audio, but it's gonna be like just freaking noise. All right, now we can really start catching fish. Watch, now I'm not gonna catch any fish. Right. Because I turn that thing back off. Right. Oh, dude. Stupid.
Does that do pretty well though, that little cover you got?
It does okay, but I've
never been in a 50-mile-an-hour wind.
No, I haven't been out in wind like this.
Unrelenting.
Oh, right on the right. You're right. It was going, dude. It was going.
This one?
Yeah. Like I saw it do one of these.
Yeah,
You felt him though?
He's there.
Oh, sick. Nice, dude. You gonna boat flip him or you want me to grab him? Oh, yeah, you got it. Nice, dude.
Go.
Things are looking up. Hey, that's on the new piece of bait too.
Yep. Right in the corner of the mouth like it's supposed to be, right?
Yep. Trying to look back at my rod, see if they're folded over or not. Nice, dude.
Flip it.
There you go.
Yeah, he almost got me.
Yep.
Nice. That's a good fish.
Sweet, dude.
Dots on him though.
Like parasites.
Nice.
Like they're snail larvae or something. Yeah, he'll be fine.
Most humane putback I can do.
Sick. Ryan's finally on the board, and I did it again. I forgot to hit record. So I got like 4 catches that I have no audio for. So I guess I'll cue like a little montage. Or maybe not. I think that's just the wind. Woo! Woo! No, it's only like 25-mile-per-hour winds right now. Oh, your left one. It was doing some funky stuff.
The white one?
The left, the catfish one. It was doing some funky stuff. I don't know if it was the wind or not, but it caught my eye. It could have been the wind. But it was just doing something different, you know? Oh, there, just lift up on him. Yeah, dude. Sick. I knew it was doing something funky.
Oh, there in the last one. Hard to tell fighting with actual catfish.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude. Nice, dude.
Nice.
Nice. Nice, dude.
Nice.
Yeah, I'll be a gentleman.
Oh, look at that service. That's
Oh, hey. You wanna hold him? Sick, dude. Whoa.
not a bad.
Yeah. Whoops.
You didn't want to be held by me, huh? Should have went for the bass first. Yeah.
The belly, her belly's too big. Come on, get out of here. There he goes. Nice, dude.
Thanks for the land.
Yep.
That's pretty intense, man. When you're standing there and all of a sudden the pole just starts
Yeah.
over, you gotta grab it out. That was pretty intense.
Yep. And it's like you're this close for the rod flying off.
Speaking of that, that's quite cool. You said you found a couple big ones out here.
There we go. Jeez. I need them to do the work for me. This one feels decent. Unless I'm pulling him backwards. Which is what I'm doing. Oh, it's coming at me. Hey, that was the top rig. Woo. Here we go. This one's pretty clean. Whoa. There we go. No bumps on this one. This one's really clean. Here we go. Nice channel kitty. First one since I turned my camera on for the right way. Cool. I wonder if this one ate my other bait because both my baits are gone. See ya. Was that number 6 or 7 between the both of us?
You're right, hell yeah, I got 2, man. I told you, I'm happy. I got 1 or 2, I'm good.
Right?
Now everything's just a bonus now, man.
I'm just glad I was able to get you on some fish, man.
3 years later, I finally catch a fish on that catfish rod.
Ooh, man, this stuff is funky.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, extra juicy.
good for the immune system.
I don't know what's up with this middle rod.
Yeah, nothing. I don't think you've been had a bite on that one, have you?
I don't think so. At least nothing that I've noticed. That's how it was yesterday too, until like later in the day. You know, the wind isn't terrible right now at this moment.
You know, I was gonna say that.
But I see like a big wave coming towards us. Here it comes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can tell.
See, like right now, I'd be contemplating making a move. Like we wouldn't even have to go far. Like maybe 10 yards that way, or maybe, you know, 10 yards that way.
Yeah.
Or we just wait it out for like another 20 minutes, see what happens. All right, we'll give it 20.
I'm gonna grab a bottle of water out of the car. They're definitely gonna bite now.
Dude. I gotta do something about that rod holder, dude.
Boy, that about went in, huh?
I know. You see how far forward it was bending? Oh. Alright, guess we don't have to move yet. Just gotta talk about moving, then we'll get bit. Yep, not too shabby. Man, they're like freaking cookie cutters. Man, I swear it's like the same fish over and over.
That's our clean one too, don't I?
Yeah. Man, this one looks pretty tasty. I keep saying that, but I really don't want to clean a fish today. You know what? F it, I'm gonna keep this one. I keep talking about it.
The unlucky one.
Right, the unlucky one. Okay. Recasted it out and I got bit pretty quick there. That was a little bit further out. Okay, we're gonna have to redo this rod holder. Yeah, it must have been a fluke that I caught on that that right rod earlier.
You only caught one on that one?
Yep. Everything's been on this rod.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna freshen up these debates because these ones been out there for a while. And by fresh, I mean that rotten, stinky bait we got.
Throw more old rotten bait. Is there an advantage of using those J hooks compared to a circle hook?
Not really. If you want to set the hook, use a J hook. But like if I was in the kayak, I'd go circle hooks all the way.
Right.
Because they do all the work for you. Oh.
Dude, I kind of set the hook.
Yeah, just reel, just reel.
It's just so like counterintuitive to what I'm used to.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Like most of the time, don't even pick it up out of the rod holder. Just leave it in there, reel.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, reel down on it before you even lift it up.
I messed up.
Oh, oh. Come on. Come on.
Like you said, basically leave it in there until it's going.
Yeah, or you just reel on him as he's tapping it, just reel and then lift it up. That was the most action. 2 bites like back to back. Ooh.
Big ass gust of wind.
Yeah, it hasn't calmed down at all. I don't know. There we go. I don't know. There's something about this rod, dude.
All the six on that rock.
Woo. Oh, here we go, guys. Nice, another clean one. Oh wow, barely hooked. Wow, this one's super clean. Nice fish. Huh, we'll get it back. A little swampy. Yeah. There it goes. See ya. Oh, he's still swimming over here. Dazed and confused. This one's pretty gnarly. You know what? I'll just start a new one.
I seen you cut the tail off on him. Tail not good?
I cut the fins off the tail and I use the tail.
I don't use a tail.
I've caught them on tails.
This one's a little ripe. Like my scissors don't even want to cut it because it's so mushy.
Oh yeah, I just got a whiff of it.
Yep.
Nice.
It's a little ripe. And they're not staying on the hook very good because they're so mushy. Whew. Stinks.
The baby out early, 2 months early. Yeah, we got pretty.
Hey, your left rod, your left rod. Oh, oh, go. Just lift up on him, just lift up. There you go, yeah. Oh, I got a bite too. Man, that should have been a double. Nice fish, dude.
Well, that's a really light colored one too.
Yeah.
You said that's more likely a female?
Yep, because they got the smaller heads.
Boy, that's a really clean one.
Yeah, if I was, if I wanted to eat more, I'd keep that one. That'd be a good one to eat.
I mean, they don't even even have the marks on his.
Clean fish.
Uh-oh, gonna be a little blind fish too.
Yeah, I hook him in the eye quite a bit. Nice fish, dude.
Right in the corner of the mouth again.
Yep. Circle hook doing circle hook things. Oh. All right, man. Oh, got a bite over here. Oh, dude. I was messing with my other rod over there. And I got bit. Oh, wow, this one's moving. This one is moving. He's doing the death roll. Doing the death roll. Oh, this one's a nice clean one too. Right in the corner where it should be. Cool. Check out this fish, guys. Another clean eater channel catfish. Nice one to eat. I already got one in the bucket, so I'm not going to keep this one. We'll let her go. There she goes. Come on. That's right. Get another piece of bait. So we're using, oh man, some funky, oh, super funky shad. I was just about to move my setups around too. Oh, there's a tap on the left rod. Might be still messing with it. Oh yeah, he's tapping. Here we go. Man, I moved this rod to the left and it's starting to get hit now. This is a smaller fish. Smaller fish, smaller fish. It's okay, still fish though. Ski him in. He's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Smallest one of the day so far. My freaking whisker hooked him. Or her. I think it's a her. Here we go. Smallest fish of the day so far. Actually, smallest fish I've caught out of here in a while. This one's more of a juvenile looking. It's got the spots and stuff still. Check it out. Here's a little close up. Make it look a little bit bigger. Let her go. That was on the smaller piece of bait. All right, we'll get another bait out there. Let's get this one back out. Cast out to the left. I don't know, for some reason, the farthest left rod gets hit the most.
What made you get?
I got that one right when you left, and I just let one go.
Damn.
Thank you, sir. Oh, eating my pizza. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. He was on, but I had to put my pizza down. Damn it. I was like, oh, trying to juggle the pizza. It would happen like that. 6:30.
Keep a little bit longer and head out, or what?
Yeah, probably half hour or so.
Whenever you leave, I'll leave.
I'm gonna bleed out that catfish.
You guys blood the walleyes out, and that was the first time I've ever done that.
Yeah.
I don't not do that to any fish anymore. I mean, holy hell.
Yeah. Once you start doing it, you can't go back.
I mean, I even do crappie now.
Yeah, I do everything. Yep. And when you fillet it, there's no blood.
Yep.
You know, people say like, oh, you just gotta learn how to fillet a fish, blah blah blah.
No.
Like, dude, it doesn't matter how good you are. If the blood's in there, the blood's gonna get out. But if you drain the blood, then there's no blood for them to bleed. Oh, get bit. Oh, dude.
That is just a hot
For real. I'm about to say move all your over here too. And it's not even, I'm not even casting it out far. Huh. I knew bleeding out that fish would catch me a fish. Had to go get distracted. Cool. This one's a little smaller. This one would be a good one to eat too. A lot of good eaters actually we've been catching today. Sweet. And they're the averages seems to be getting a little bit smaller, but another healthy fish. We'll do the cross arm. Let her go. See ya. Oh, middle rod. Getting a little tippity tappity.
Oh.
Come on, buddy. There we go. Hey. They're getting smaller, man. They're getting smaller.
I think that's the smallest one of the day, isn't it?
Oh, the second one I caught after you left was like pretty small. Yeah, even smaller than this. Ooh, this one looks pretty yummy. But I already got a pretty good sized one. I don't need to keep anymore. That one I got in the bucket is way more than enough. Hey, little guy. Cool, clean though. Oh, my phone. Oh my God, dude. I wish they'd make it that easy every time. Man, I was busy messing with my phone. Yeah. Yeah, it's bigger than the last couple. You know what's crazy? It's that same rod, but I moved it to the middle. Hey. This one ain't too bad, actually. Got hooked twice. In the eyeball and in the whisker. Sorry, buddy. And it's missing a fin, too. Oh, it's missing two fins. The top fin and the side fin. Oh, man, this fish has had a rough life. Sorry, buddy. Just made your life even rougher. Oh, he's tensing up on me. Man, barely hooked in the eye. The eye's still good. Oh man, this fish is a survivor.
What?
I just threw this one out recently too. It's okay. I ain't complaining. I'm just making an observation. I'm gonna give it 15 minutes without a bite.
I'm gonna put on a fresh piece.
Yep, I would freshen up. Dude, that water bloody. I swear I just had a bite on the left one, dude. Cause I looked over and I saw it bob. Oh no, no, it's just the waves, just the waves. Just the waves. Oh, come on. Oh, middle one.
Oh my God.
You're gonna have to get that one, dude. Oh, the wind, man, the wind messed them up. Dude, they both went at the same time. Little nibblers. I'm gonna back up, sit down. Oh, almost tripped.
Oh.
Come on.
That one's still there.
I know, he's still tasting.
I haven't seen the middle one do anything since that initial.
And catfish and carp rods, still no love. Can't believe they both got hit at the same time.
I know.
And then neither of them did anything. Oh, middle rod.
Nice. Nice.
That's the same rod again, dude.
I don't understand.
I don't know either. It makes no sense. This one's kind of small.
Oh, he ran a little bit.
Yeah, had a little run there. Top hook. Top hook. Right when my alarm went off.
Really?
My alarm is going off right now. I don't know. Are you gonna hang out, or I might just call it quits here, dude.
I'm down.
Yeah. All right, Ryan. Fist bump. Congrats on your first kitties today. Hope you had fun, dude.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, too bad we couldn't get you hooked up with any more.
I'm good. I said 1 to 2 and I got 3.
That's true. Yeah, it exceeded your expectations. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Ryan's goal today was to catch 1 or 2, and he caught 3. So better than expected. But I think we're gonna call it here. It's 7 o'clock, sun's going down. I would stay, oh, yeah, I did see it. Just real, oh no, oh, dude. Well, with that, folks, we're gonna end it there. If you guys liked the video, give it a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Bye. You set the hook again, bro.
Perfect, dude.
Oh, that was so good. 15 more minutes, 15 more minutes.
Oh, man.
How about another 15? How do you feel about that?
I'm down.
All right, another 15.
Dude.
Oh,
Would that not have been perfect? The perfect ending, though.
that would have been so good.
Oh.
And of course, the wind picks up again.
Right.
Damn.
God damn, dude. That was a perfect ending right there.
Oh, man.
I don't know if I should have put a new piece on, but we'll just call her good. I did just put a new piece on that thing, though.
Oh, man, it's dripping into my freaking coat. Like the juices. Damn.
I've missed quite a few today, too.
Yeah, you're still
Missed 3.
you're still learning.
But I think I did okay that time. I
Yeah,
don't think I really set the hook. I don't know.
you kind of did.
Did I?
Like you reeled twice, and you like kind of lifted back. But if it were me,
So that one, you hold it up and just reel in, basically.
yep, you just hold it and reel. Try not to
Okay.
jerk it back, but keep the rod tip up as you're reeling down.
The opposite of what
Yeah.
you know. Usually you reel up like that.
Yep,
It's just
yep.
hard to break a habit, you know.
Or you just leave it in here and just reel right here,
Take it out.
and then take it out. Sometimes, for some reason, they know like when you pick it up,
Pick
then they
up.
drop it. Then that way, if you do it down here, he'll be hooked by the time you're.
Take it out. and
Yep,
then drop
yep. At least that's the theory. That's the theory. Cause sometimes, like, oh man, I should have just lifted it up. Or other times, sometimes you can't do any right, no matter what you do.
It's too hard for my brain to like not set the hook when I feel a fish on it.
Yeah, I get it. It took me a while to get used to it too. Or you just go to J hooks if you want to set the hook.
I might have to do that, yeah. There isn't a lot of like.
Oh, catfish and carp. Oh yeah, finally this one. Took all day. Oh man,
But that feels a little different on that rod, doesn't it?
it actually feels big. It's probably not big. Finally, the catfish and carp rod pulls through. Does this mean we gotta reset the timer? No, we'll just keep it going. We'll keep it going. Hey, this was supposed to be Ryan's redemption fish, but I'll take it. Finally on this rod too. This rod's been quiet all day. Nice. This one's kind of got like a grayish color to it. Cool. See ya.
Oh, middle rod, dude.
Oh, dude.
Unbelievable.
Oh, I should have just let you take it,
Oh.
dude.
This is the kit show here.
Oh man,
I'm just observing.
that was sick. All right, if that left one goes, you have to get it. Dude, crazy. Do a little hop. Ryan's other redemption fish. Cool. They're like freaking kissing cousins with the other fish. Almost same exact size. What if it's the same fish? No, I literally just let that one go. All right, we'll let this one go too. See ya. That one took off even faster. I wish they would bite like that every single time. That way there's no guessing. All right, timer's still going, so I'm just gonna cast this out. Oh, windy. Okay, I added 5 minutes. Oh, oh. I know, just like yesterday, dude. This rod wasn't getting touched all day. Now I caught 2. I just casted this out. Crazy. Damn, does this mean I gotta add more time? Come on, come on, come on.
There's a lot of catfish that size.
Yeah, this is like the average size today. Not bad. Little whiskered kitty. Female, looks like. Got the narrow head. Okay, I think this means plus 5 minutes, Ryan. Carp and buffalo actually freeze pretty good. Like with shad, you freeze it once, thaw it out, turns into this. But with the carp, you'd be surprised how fresh it stays. You could thaw it out like 2 or 3 times.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, plus 5. Plus 5.
Oh, you've been out here this long. What's 5 more minutes?
Yep, 5 more minutes. Oh, yep.
Yep.
Come on, buddy. Oh.
Oh,
He's like nibbling. Oh no, dude.
I can't wait to see how much time's left on that timer.
Probably by the time I reel in this fish, it's gonna be like 30 seconds, like you said. Smaller fish, that's all right. Still a fish. It's on the top rig. Man, every time it's on the top rig, big tangle. Actually, no, that ain't terrible. Oops.
Same size, really.
Yeah, same size. Like a 2-3 pounder. Perfect to eat.
In the words of you, lucky.
Yeah. Sweet. Oh, this might be the. Oh, you're right, right rod. Catfish rod, catfish rod. Oh, dude. Oh, it's just real, dude. Oh, there you go. Yes. Yes, that was perfect. Sick. Got a double here. Hey, my alarm's going off.
I told you.
48 seconds to spare. Or 48 seconds over.
So yours probably bit with literally like 20 seconds left.
Yeah.
Just like I called.
Sick, dude. Sick.
That's a good one.
Yeah, freaking all kissing cousins. Dope. Nice fish, dude.
Cool.
Nice. Nicely executed.
5 more minutes.
Is that a plus 5?
Is that a plus 5?
I get, yeah.
Probably a plus 5.
Yeah, plus 5. Yeah, double's a plus 5. Hold on, let me get my bait out, then it's a plus 5. All right, 5 minutes. Kind of want to check those baits, because that rod's been hit a few times without hooking up. Oh, one of my baits is gone. I knew it.
Oh, hit that rock right. Here, I'll take this one.
Oh, I missed it, dude. I just threw this shit out. What the? Oh. You just set that down. I'll take care of it later. Dude. Yeah, +5 for the one that I botched.
+5, +5, +5.
Yo. Hey, it was a bite, right?
Yeah.
It should have been a fish. All right, no more +5s. This is the last +5.
Unless we get a triple.
Yeah. Dude, that'd be insane.
Triple +5.
Wind's acting all crazy
I
again.
know. I was getting used to the rods not going like this. Oh. Oh God. Oh my God.
Maybe it wasn't the wind. This one feels decent. Probably one of our better fish today. At least it's fighting.
I'm waiting for that triple to happen right now.
I know. Any of these rods could go off.
Oh, pretty big boil. That looks like a.
I need to stop watching the other rods. I'll let you watch though.
That's
Yeah, it's a better fish for sure. Hey, like a little shark down there. Come on. Oh yeah. Definitely a better one. Hey. I was gonna say, I don't even know where the hook is. Put her down on the grass. Here we go. I think this is the biggest fish of the day so far. I don't know how the lighting is right now, but pretty good fish. This is probably like a 6-pounder, maybe. I don't even know why I'm trying to guess. Nobody believes me anyway. Like, no, you need a scale, blah, blah, blah.